Get
I want
out.
to shoot more things.
Okay, okay, enough about my mind. Let's stay out of my mind for a while. Let's just go back into yours, huh? Step up to the brain tumbler when you're ready.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, why the fuck not?
I want to shoot more things.
Okay, okay, enough about my...
We just
Step up
said
to the
this.
brain...
You
I
turned towards
did-
him last
Oh, I see. Okay.
It's like you literally turned right towards him to press it.
Oh,
That's the spirit.
Sure, whatever. Just go. Get in the hole.
shoot the fucking beams. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, boy. Is this Sasha's mind? Yeah, I did that.
You did it.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. So then this must be mine. All right, all right. Oh, hey, I remember you. Need some mine bullets. It's just a fucking steak hanging out.
Yeah. You know.
As you do. Pew.
You did it.
That's weird. Oh.
Oh my god.
Jeff, do you hate the back?
It just takes so long. Like every time.
Hey, where'd it go? Don't tell me I imagined that whole thing.
Yeah. Excuse me. Give. I need all these arrowheads because I need that one of those cobweb things.
Yeah, that's like the first thing you have to save up for is that fucking cobweb.
It's kind of cool looking. Anyway,
He's
I
up there.
guess I go up here somehow.
Somehow. Well, we may never know how.
Oh, come here! No, damn it. So wait for you to come back.
Just go. We have to come back to.
You are my own creation. I command you to stop. Dang. Does that ever work?
Yeah.
Plant. I think you might have to burn those things to get them. But you might be able to go around this one.
Yeah. Gonna try to just jump around. Jump, jump. Jump around.
Oh my god, look at this enemy. Oh man.
What?
It's just every time they do it, let's show the whole animation. We have to stretch this game out somehow.
I mean, really? Where?
You fell down.
Did I? Damn. Okay. This way. Give, give, give. Give. Thank you. Another tag. Thank you. Oh shit. Wondering what that was. Did it just show up randomly?
Eh,
Come on.
I know you must seem like your mind has to make complete sense at all times.
Yeah.
Dreams 100% are just like a solid line, you know exactly what's happening.
Yeah. Oh, that guy again. Sir? Oh shit, you can hit that back. Kind of cool. Look at that guy. Leave my bunny alone. Alright.
Put the bunny down.
Come here.
You only have 30. You don't need to keep picking them up once you have 30.
Oh, okay.
It's like you can only carry so many.
Give.
You might be able to level it up so you can hold more, but for right now we have 30.
Need some of that. There we are. Delicious. Alright. Aw.
Oh man, another animation.
Oh, little fella needs a friend. We all need friends, Jeff. You know?
No.
Jeff, you know, some people are just not deserving of friendship, you know?
That's probably where one of the bags are.
Yeah, I'd reckon. Oh!
Oh, who would have expected that to be right there?
Oh, a bag.
Da, 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 da.
Oh. Oh, I could skip it.
Oh, thank God.
Whenever you're dealt with something annoying, just start mashing buttons.
Just
One
mash
day.
all the buttons and hopefully it'll work.
Can I grab you? There we go. Can you like shoot those? Oh look, there's ways to get up over there too. I guess I'll go there later though.
Nah.
Bunny.
Benoit.
We don't talk about him. Oh shit. Camera.
It's crazy that the camera clips into the world.
It's kind of funny.
You're like, oh, you wanted to see?
The one thing, as far as like the figments of your imagination go, I really wish they were a little bit more like suck into you, because a lot of times I'm like, I got that one. It's like, no, you didn't.
No.
Tag. All right. Gimme. Ooh.
Yeah. Take
Oh.
that, nerd.
There we are. See, like that bell, I think I should have got that, honestly, just by walking.
You don't have the float stuff yet.
Oh, okay, so that's a different power. Alright,
Little boy, I am sorry to say that you have a very serious mental problem. The trouble originates in this area, here. The area that we in the medical profession like to refer to as the brain. You see, son, it's just no good. I hate to be so blunt, but you have the insanity of a manatee.
I know. People are always saying that. What do you think's wrong
I
with my
don't think
brain, Doctor?
anyone else
How
is saying
should
you
I
have the
know? I'm a
insanity of a
dentist.
manatee.
But here's what I do know. If a tooth is bad, you pull it.
But my teeth are fine.
Yep, mad brain's got to come out, boy. It's the quickest way to cure what you've got. Insanity of the mind.
But I don't wanna.
Shh. Now hold still. This will only hurt until your brains come flying out.
Get back! No!
Don't worry, Dogen. I'm coming up there to save you.
What is wrong, Rasputin?
No time to explain, Sasha. I gotta climb this spooky thorn tower.
pretty spooky. Give me them fucking arrowheads. Yeah. Arrowheads, thank you. Don't worry, Dogen. I'll be right there.
I'm coming.
Give me. I got it.
It's like the scene from
Kung Pao.
I'm coming.
Chosen one. I'm coming. Yeah.
Which is basically one of the same. It's like a fucking scene straight from Monty Python's. Whenever he's like running at the castle and they're like looking, and then he keeps running at the castle and he's still like the same distance away, and then all of a sudden it just cuts and he just stabs one of them and he runs inside.
Oh, I can buy
Oh,
a
you can
cobweb.
fucking buy it finally.
I gotta. Oh, sweet.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, grab that. Get all of those. There's a safe to punch.
Yeah, I'll get there. Come here, you little shit.
Punching safes. That's how we do.
Oh.
Fucking safe. Get back here.
Bitch. The world shall not taste my eggs. Okay.
Egg.
Bird.
Birdfish. Fish.
Bird goes to fair. Teacup.
And then laser blasts.
Okay.
Pete, what the hell was that? Crazy
Thank you.
Stuff in here, Sasha. This can't be right.
Why did I buy the cheap brain tumbler?
Are you like mixed in with someone else's psyche?
It's a fish tumbler.
Is it the crazy kid's head
And
you're
Dogen's?
mixed into? Oh my god, who would have expected it?
Oh, hey. Let me get that.
Boom, boom, boom.
You!
Boom, boom. I wish it would have juked you.
Yeah, oh my god, that would have been something.
It's just like,
wouldn't it?
foop, and it's just a hard left turn,
It's
and
like,
you
yeah,
miss it.
fuck you.
And it goes into a wall.
Alright.
Duel. Yeah, we know we got a fucking new psi-up power.
There's no way to get any higher.
You must use your levitation power.
I don't know how to levitate.
Oh, right. You're a shitty kid.
I had no idea you were at such a remedial level.
Hey,
Lucky for you, we have one of the world's foremost levitators on staff.
Agent Mia Vodello, the mental minx.
Precisely. You'll need this oarsman's badge to reach her at the docks. I'll try to determine where this interference is coming from. Return when you've earned your levitation merit badge.
Okay. Well, you know what? Before I do that, I'm gonna go buy a fucking...
No, jump in the thing.
Yeah.
We've leveled up.
Only I could fail things so
Where
hard.
would you like me to take you, Agent Cruller?
I want to go to the lodge, thank you.
No, the sanctuary.
Outside the main
No,
lodge.
so I can get the
Oh.
cobweb thing.
Bring me
Well,
back
I mean,
a
we
burger
can get
this
that
time, will you?
in a second, but you upgrade your mental powers at the sanctuary.
Really?
You know the thing that keeps telling you to rank up?
Yeah. I just want to get the... I want to get the cobweb thing before I forget, because knowing me, I'll fucking forget.
Forget what?
The what?
Ooh, buy the eyes, yeah! Just buy everything
Hey,
else but.
anything new in the store?
Take a look.
I think the magnet thing might
Oh, that's
actually
my
be
last
what you
cobweb
want.
duster. Take that into someone's mind with you. You can clean up. They're happy to be rid of the webs, and you can.
Wait, did
now
it
with
say
that, you can
it
change
was
the color of
unlocked,
some-
but
Ah,
it-
now here's something every young Psi cadet needs.
But we still don't have enough for it because it's 800.
Now with that, whoa, that's my last cobweb duster.
What?
Take that into
I thought it
someone's
said I could
mind with
buy
you.
a
Now with
cobweb
that,
duster.
You can change the color of some of your Psi powers. Like
Well,
your
that's
eye.
cool.
Now here's some. Now that dowsing rod will help you find arrowheads that are buried.
That's a
deep.
good one.
That's raw.
It'll
really
let you save up
valuable
for
ones
the
are,
thing,
you
I
know.
think.
Find 3 or 4 deep deposits, and that baby pays for itself.
Yeah, you
It
get
costs
more.
you money because it makes you money.
That's how you get the more
So
stuff.
this is 50.
Yeah,
So I'll just buy it.
yeah.
Now,
And that's
take that.
10.
Dream fluffs. Delicious. Now that
I'll take
dowsing rod sold to the big-headed kid with the gloves.
Thanks.
What
okay.
else
This is
can I do
how
you
we-
for?
I guess I'll buy that.
You take that. All right, Alrighty then. What else can I do you for?
Well, I really wanted
that's
that
my last
duster,
time with
but- That's it
that.
for now.
You can change the
I think we have to be like psych level 20 to use it even.
Really?
Or like 16 or something right now.
Okay.
So
Well,
head back to the stump.
to the stump!
Where would you like me to?
Let's go to Ford's.
Yes.
Away!
In recognition of your hard work,
Yeah.
dedication, and mental agility,
I will level up
I'm
your
proud to bestow
abilities.
upon you the official merit badge for pyrokinesis.
Yeah, I think
cool.
you can burn the you can burn those bushes now.
Nice.
Shablam.
Nice.
Burn.
Cool. I can't wait to
Burn in the fires of Inferno.
What are we doing here?
Inside your mind? Well, I thought you'd like to be in a familiar place for your first pyrokinesis lesson.
Lesson?
Shh, now, think of something you'd like to burn.
Like that?
Ah, yes, I heard you were raised in the circus. But why would you want to burn all these happy memories here?
If they were happy memories, I wouldn't have run away. My dad, he hates psychics, and he knew I was becoming one. So all day long, he would force me to practice my acrobatics, hoping to distract me.
Oh.
Or maybe hoping to kill me. I never was sure.
Now, why are you still talking when you could be burning stuff?
That's fair. So this one's elf.
Come on now, just look at something, and then use your new power to set it on fire. Great, great! Now, burn the rest. Focus. You're getting
Bam.
warmer. Keep going. It's
Shablam.
getting hot in here. Rasputin, lock your mental focus on this last one, and hold it while you use your pyrokinesis power. Rasputin, lock your mental focus on this last one. Excellent work.
Fire is pretty.
Okay, that's the end of the lesson. You're free to go, but you have to promise me.
Please don't burn
only
down the
use your
forest.
Power, pyrokinesis only when it's very, very important, or it's really, really entertaining.
I promise.
And if you're doing it to impress
See, like his
girls,
lighting's all
make
fucked
sure
up, but
none of
Raz's
them have on
isn't.
a lot of hairspray. In
what Michael
recognition
Jackson
of your
didn't do.
hard work, dedication, and mental agility, I'm proud to bestow upon you the official merit badge for telekinesis.
Oh, damn. I'm just racking up powers.
Well, I mean, we leveled up like a couple times during that one thing because
Oh.
we collected so much stuff. Because it's like certain levels you get things at. Shablam! Grab the camera with your mind.
With telekinesis, we can use our minds to grasp an object and then throw it. Go ahead, try it yourself.
Grab that fucking trash can.
Come on. Get a good grip on it with your mind.
There we go.
Eee.
Oh, good throw. Now, let's see if you can make it through the hoop.
You sound like my dad.
Hey, I've been thinking about that. Why'd that guy hate psychics so much? What did we ever do to him?
Well, psychics killed his whole family. Cursed them and all their descendants to die in water.
Whoa,
Huh.
Yeah.
Alright.
talk about
That'll
baggage.
do
Tell me
it.
about it. And the weird thing is, I'm pretty sure he's actually psychic himself.
Ha! Cuckoo! Well, you can work on him when you get home. For now. Oops.
Okay.
Now,
So I grab.
that now just think about where you want it to go.
Yeah.
Oi.
Be the trap. Oh, great shot. Let's see you do that again.
Now do it again.
Thread the needle, as they say. Bingo! Okay, last one.
Interesting.
Through the hoop, Rasputin. Now, Let me show you something. Pick that trash can up and aim your toss at the side of the caravan.
Destroy your home, Rasputin.
Very nice. Now, set me down easy and go pick up something that won't blow up your head if you make it mad.
That was funny.
The caravan side.
Shablam.
Throwing something against a wall is a little more destructive than tossing it around on the ground, isn't it? Oh no, another one of my sensors. Now, how'd that get in here? Looks like we're in luck. He doesn't see you yet. Why don't you smash him on the head with that handy trash can? Come on! Use telekinesis to pick up the trash can and throw it at...
They act like you would be doing this all the time in the game. And you're like, why the
Use
fuck would I
telekinesis to
fucking
pick up
do
the
that?
trash
It takes
can
so long
and
to
throw
do.
it.
Yeah.
Bullseye!
Looks like the trash took him out.
Next
I guess if you
lesson,
didn't have any like
we'll work on your
ammunition.
snappy one-liners.
Or able to slap him with
Yeah.
your random attacks that you
Yeah.
can just do all the time, forever.
Yeah.
We did a...
All right. Oh, hey, look, card.
Yeah, how you gonna get up there?
Yep.
Eh,
I got it.
eh.
I think it's 5, right?
It's 9.
It's 9. Okay. 9. All right. So now I gotta go see what's her
Where
face.
would you like me to take you, Agent Cruller?
Well, we have to head to the main area.
Kids cabin or the main lodge?
The main area.
Drop me
That's main
outside
lodge.
the main lodge.
And then we need to
Bring me back a burger this time, will you?
head down to the... lake?
Warning. Geodesic psycho-isolation chamber this way. Stay out.
This is the parking lot.
Okay.
This way to the main lodge. To the kids' cabins.
Okay. Is there like another crossroads button?
Probably. That's the way to the... Oh! That's the way to
Come on.
there. It's down to the right. I think you have to take out the one thing. Open up your inventory.
Yeah. How do I do? Nope.
That's
That wasn't it.
What the fuck are you doing? I know you have a PlayStation 4.
Yeah. There we go. Oh. So I just walk around with this thing?
Well, it's getting lower. Higher. Lower. It's only going to max out whenever you're near something that can be. So you're like...
Hello, children. I hope you're all having a
You see how low it
safe
gets?
summer day here at Whispering Rock. I
This is
just
as high as it
heard
gets
As he
for you.
stops
that we're
pressing
having
it.
a
Yeah,
party
then
out
try
there at
going
the
that
floating
direction a
dock,
little more.
And I'd love for you all to come. It's levitation training, baby, and it's fun, fun, fun. Just grab a canoe and come join the party.
Like, it's very specific where it is.
Okay.
There we go.
Cool. Alright.
I'm not picking up anything. Must not be any deep arrowheads nearby.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Take out my dowsing rod, I suppose.
170 already.
Yeah.
Like, we were at 99 before.
Nope.
It literally said you were going into a new area.
Yeah, for a second. My bad. Let's go back. Hoo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Ooh.
But yeah, the dowsing rod is definitely the main way to get.
Nope. Huh. I'm not sure what it wants of me.
Like, it's very simple. As you're moving, and if it starts going down again, you turn another direction. Like, you have to keep pressing the triangle button. See how it gets lower and higher?
Yeah.
200.
All right.
Fish.
What's that one kid?
Hmm?
You have a water phobia? Me too!
Huh? No. Well, yes. My family has this problem with water. It's a bunch of hooey anyway. Some old gypsy curse about how we're all supposed to die in water. If you can believe that.
Oh! I thought it was about the whole thing with the brain-eating fish that walks out of the lake at night to hunt for victims.
Yeah.
See ya!
He just dies.
Hey Raz. I saw you and Lily talking in the coach's class, and I was wondering, were you asking her to go with you?
What? No! I'm here to train. No distractions.
Excellent. Bye.
Aw, damn.
Laters.
Just grab that quick, thank you.
Don't be late. Levitation class has already begun. Come on out to the floating dock before the party is over.
248. Bird.
Oh,
Dogen, are you okay? I had the strangest machine-induced dream about you.
TV.
Well, first of all, Sasha 9 invited me down
Sure,
to a
he's fine.
secret lab, and
TV.
he's completely brainless. The dream was true. Dogen, don't worry. I know where your brains are. They're in, like, this crazy dream thornbush straitjacket tower place.
Hacky sack.
You go to the TV location. I'm on the case. I just need a little more advanced training to prepare. See you in hell.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Fuck you, bird.
you and everything you stand for.
Fucking die.
Card?
9.
How about that?
You can literally go do that right now.
Yeah. There's
You
a
bought
stump
the-
right there.
You bought the eye thing and...
All right.
Where would you like me to take you, Agent Crawler?
Well, take me to Sanctuary.
Let's go to Ford's. I mean,
Yes.
You don't have to say this every time. Like, you could just go to the sanctuary.
We. All right.
Give us a level. We're now at 22.
Will you give me another power?
At 30.
Oh, at 30.
That's literally what it said.
I didn't read it.
I'm glad you're on top of everything.
Yeah.
Where would you like me to take you, Agent Crawler?
Oh, there we go. I can go to...
Oh, we didn't
Like-
scroll down to Agent Nine's lab.
Yes, sir, Admiral, sir.
All right.
Acha.
That was a total accident.
Card.
Fucking carrot?
Yeah. Fucking delicious. What's this?
Has anyone seen Dogan Boole? He didn't show up for band practice, and I'm a little worried about him. Phoebe.
Nah, he's fine. He's going to
Levitation
watch
class
TV.
Starting now. Please report to the floating dock immediately. Don't be late for the party, children. Love, Mia.
Okay, cool.
Let's do this.
That's the dock over there, but this is... Who are you?
Check it out, Admiral.
What do you mean, who
I'm
are
an
you?
oarsman, first class.
He's wearing a
Hey,
disguise.
it looks like
I
all
don't
those
wanna-
weeks in the canoe simulator really paid off.
Yes, sir, Admiral, sir.
Well, let's get you afloat. Finest of the fleet.
I'll take good care of her, sir.
That
What
lake
is
isn't
happening?
As peaceful or as
You had to get the
harmless
boat
as
to get
she
out to the
looks.
dock.
Now,
So if you would have
don't
talked
take
to
her
him
out too
before that, he
far.
wouldn't have let you.
Oh, okay.
No, you don't.
Yeah, see, because they won't let you go forward.
Can't get a good grip. What's that round thing up on the dock?
That thing? Oh man, let me tell you about that thing.
It's a
That
bathysphere.
thing is none of your stinking business.
Why are you even talking to this guy?
I'm not trying to.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying, like, why would you even talk to this guy?
Can't get a good grip.
Stupid fish.
What?
So funny.
Why?
Because you don't have it selected.
Getting you down. I've got just the device up here in the main lodge door. Why don't you come on up and score yourself a copy?
I have L2. I have telekinesis, so
Can't get a good grip.
Have you tried to press the use button when the boat is...
there we go.
I
I
was just
see.
like, did you try pressing the
Okay.
use button?
Yes, Bobby.
Yeah, boy. Can I?
You could probably press the use button and jump out.
Nope. No.
Might have to jump float to it then.
I guess so. Yeah. All right.
Holy mackerel! Oh, sorry, not you.
Is there like another dock just behind them? No. Okay.
No, you don't.
I've wedged myself in.
How the fuck do you do this?
Man, do I hate fish.
There we go.
Look at him squirm.
Yeah, I don't. Okay. Guess I just go this way. Okay, sure. There we are.
There she is.
And there you are, darling. Don't worry, I got in contact with your father and he's going to be here tomorrow to pick you up.
My father?
Oh, gotta go. The race is starting.
Lily!
Oh, hey Raz. Listen, I made you something. It's kind of stupid, but
They stole Dogan's brains.
no, he's just like that.
I had a nightmare where this mad scientist guy said he was gonna take them out. And
Was it a creepy-looking freak with a shower cap and a stainless steel three-pronged claw?
hey, that's my nightmare.
So it's not just me.
But how? And why all the meat?
I don't know. I think it's time I find out where this is coming from. Let's rendezvous tonight at the old boathouse for debriefing.
This is so cool.
Yeah, it feels like that time in True Psychic Tales 314 where... Shut up!
Nerd!
Hey.
Agent Vodello? I have been ordered to report here for levitation training. I've already done the coach's obstacle course, and Sasha showed me how to shoot.
You know, I'd expect that sort of recklessness from Orso, but Sasha?
Agent 9 said you were the most powerful levitator the Psychonauts had.
Sasha said that? Really? I didn't know he noticed.
Well, you know, I only work with the best teachers.
Flirt? Okay, let's party.
Yeah, sure, why not?
All right, all right.
Look who made the scene.
Agent Vodello?
All right.
Where are you?
On TV, of course. Where I was always meant to be. I mean, look at my hair, darling. How can hair this fabulous not be on TV? Now, darling, the best way to learn levitation is to just try it. I'm going to give you a levitation learner's permit. It will only work while you're in my mind. After you finish my course, I'll give you the real thing, baby. First, you gotta show me you know how to use it. Now,
Yeah,
bounce on
boy.
up here and follow me, darling. There you go.
Whoa.
Now, for this last one, you're
That's
really
kinda
gonna
fun,
have
actually.
to fly.
Mm-hmm.
Once you get up in the air, try using your thoughts as a balloon to float. Just jump for those rings as high as you can and then do your psi float. Don't be afraid, darling.
Psi float, huh? Let me grab this. Thanks. Sure. Here. Not quite. Okay. Boing. There we go.
There you go.
Outstanding! Okay, now, just between you and me, this end of the party is dead. Come find me on the other side of the party, and I'll give you that merit badge for real. Never keep a girl waiting long, young man.
Ma'am, I am 12.
See if you can say.
Yeah.